Hello, hello, hello. It's me. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you guys can see, I am going into CVS. You guys see how bright and sunny it is out today? Finally, we got some nice, warm, sunny, bright weather. It's been raining here in central Pennsylvania so much, and I just couldn't take it. So I'm just so happy to be out and about in the sunshine and having my flip-flops on and going in here to CVS to get some deals. So guys, I know you've probably been wondering why I haven't done a CVS video yet this week, and it's basically because I like to bring you guys deals that are different than what everyone else is bringing, and I just couldn't find any good things today or this week. And then actually last night, I guess about 12 o'clock at night, I got some new Ibotta rebates, and I'm able to bring a good deal to you guys. So go ahead and download Ibotta if you haven't done that. It's okay. I'm going to put the link in the description box, and you can click on the link. Go ahead and set your account up and get ready to save. If you have already downloaded Ibotta, great. You can still take advantage of this offer. So let me show you what it is. Okay, before we get started, just to let you guys know, all the Easter stuff is 50% off. My store doesn't have a lot. They have Reese's white chocolate, which I don't like. I only like dark chocolate, but they do still have some Easter stuff. Once this goes to 75%, I may get some of this to go in my baskets, but at $1.50 is not cheap enough for me. I can go to the dollar store and get that a little cheaper. So I'm just headed down the aisle to show you guys what we're going to get, what our great deal is. You are going to need some of your inserts also to take advantage of this deal. So let's head on down here. Oh my God, they got all this toilet paper. I might have to come back and get me some toilet paper. My store usually sells out of the toilet paper so fast it'll make your head spin. But I see that they didn't, so that's great. All right, guys, so we're here. We're going to do the Persil deal. Now, Persil is on sale for $5.99. You know what, guys? Before we go into that, let me show you guys something else. Last week, I believe it was, the Snuggle deal was spend $20 in Snuggles and get $5 extra buck. If you guys did that deal, check your Ibotta rebates. I know in my app, maybe you've had those, but I didn't. In my Ibotta rebate, Snuggle rebates popped up in my Ibotta app last night for $1.50. Now, some people have $1.50, some people have 75 cents. My mom has 75 cents. I had $1.50. But it's on all of these Snuggle products and the beads and the dryer sheets. There's three different products, 3 different rebates. So if you took advantage of that Snuggle deal and your receipt is within 7 days, go ahead and submit that and get your money. I did, and I was able to get $3 more back, so that really helped me out in my deal. All right, so now the Persil. The Persil is on sale for $5.99. There's no extra bucks with this deal, and that's okay, because it's still going to be great for us, okay? If you still have your, I believe it was in the Save Inserts, is this coupon for $2 off any Persil Pro Clean laundry detergent, and it's $2 off. Yes, it expired on 4/24, but if your store is like most stores, they take expired coupons up to 14 days. So this is within the 14-day range. We actually have until Sunday, so you have all the rest of this week to do this deal. So you can grab a Persil, $5.99. You can use this coupon, And the coupon policy at CVS is you can use 4 like coupons in 1 transaction. I'm all in the CVS people's way. So if you use this coupon, then it'll be $3.99 at the register. But then go into your CVS app, go into your Ibotta app. There is a Persil rebate. Now, don't just type in Persil, because you may get confused, because there are, I think, 2 or 3 different Persil rebates that are going on for Walmart. But at CVS, there's only one, so don't get confused. And for the CVS, it's only the liquid. Whereas at Walmart, I think it's definitely the liquid and the pods. But at CVS, it's only the liquid, and you get $2 back, and you can do it 5 times, limit 5. Now, I'm only going to do it 4 times because I can only use 4 coupons. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. I'm going to head up to the register, and I'm going to use my coupons, and then I will come back, show you guys my receipt, show you guys that I submitted to Ibotta to get my money back. And for those of you that are new to Ibotta, it does not take long to get your money back. I'll get my money back within like a minute or 2 of purchasing all of this Persil. That's how fast Ibotta works. So you can get 4 or you can get 5. Again, I'm only getting 4 because CVS only allows 4 like coupons. But if you're using the Ibotta rebates, you can get up to 5 for the Ibotta rebate. So let's head up to the register. Okay, guys, guess what? I'm wrong. Although the Ibotta rebate has the picture of the liquid for CVS, you can still get the pods too. I just scanned them and it does work. So you can get the pods as well as the liquid, whichever you want to do. Or you can mix and match. Okay, guys, so let's go over our receipt. So here you see I got the Persil, 4 of them, $4.99 each. You see I used all 4 of my $2 coupons, came off fine. Then my total was $15.96. I used extra bucks to pay for all of that. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. And as you can see, I got back my $8 back from Ibotta. So that makes this transaction $7.96 for 4 Persils. Guys, that is an amazing deal. So if this is the detergent that you like, make sure you go out and get it. And like I said, there also are rebates at Walmart, but at Walmart you can't use the expired coupons. So make sure that you double check that. And I'm not sure if there's any coming out anytime soon or not. I just ran to CVS to take advantage of the deal. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to go do this deal. And if you've already done this deal this week, do not forget to submit your receipts to Ibotta so you can get your rebates. Guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell next to the subscription button so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Share this with your friends, your family, put it on your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. And until the next time, keep on saving.